Hello, this is Joe here. Welcome back to our series or the continuing series on setting up a VPS instance using Vultr. So in the last video, we talked about the affiliate part of this tab section here. And I'll show you how to grab your affiliate links and how to get paid through referring people to sign up using Vultr. To be honest, I haven't really used this affiliate link here. I might, but I haven't yet decided to do that. So maybe in future I might do, but hopefully you guys can support towards helping the channel and making sort of videos for you guys. Okay, that was the affiliate section. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the account section. The account section is jam-packed with quite a lot of things to be aware of, so we're going to spend a little bit of time talking about it. There might be certain things that I might need to sort of blur out, things like SSH keys and stuff like that, and API keys. I can't release that to the public, so I apologize if those are blurred. Go into the account page. This is the screen that you're presented with. Obviously, you can fill in your details, fill in your company name, company URL, and I suppose I could do that, but I don't think I need to at the moment, just for the purposes of this video and to save time. Your name and address, your email address, your actual address. You can use your home address or you can use your business address, your company logo. If you've got a VAT ID, you can include that here, company URL, and then you sort of describe what sort of category your business falls under. And then if you want, you can then explain what service you're running with your Vultr account. You could do, but you know, nothing obligates you to doing that. And then there's the preferences tab, and the preferences tab here has got whether or not you want it in light mode or dark mode, which is quite cool. I always prefer dark mode. From the editing side of things, made me really like dark mode. So if you're a videographer and you edit a lot of videos, you sort of want to do things in dark mode as part of the Meniscus group. So you could essentially go there and check out some of the stuff we've been doing. But I use dark mode a lot because it's just a personal preference of mine. The authentication section allows you to manage two-factor authentication, change your passwords and stuff like that. So that's quite cool, and I always recommend people using two-factor authentication, because if you don't, you're essentially opening yourself up to a whole can of worms with respect to security. So please protect yourself online. And then there's SSH keys. I haven't added any SSH keys yet. It's something that I'll be doing later on, but I haven't done any of that yet. And then there are also API keys, so you can enable a PAT, a personal access token, and I haven't really enabled it yet. I will probably do that a little bit later on, and I can integrate it with cloud automation tools and stuff like that if I wanted to, but I haven't yet done that. Like I said, very, very, very early days. You can add various users as well, which is quite cool. So at the moment, it will just be me, but I will add other users as we grow. If anybody's interested in partnering and helping us grow, please feel free. We'll be glad to have you. Okay. And there's also like things like notifications. So if there's maintenance and outage notifications, they can send you emails for any of that, so that you're aware as to what is going to be happening. So that's something to be aware of as well. Okay, great. So that concludes the section on the accounts. I hope you find this video useful. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what your thoughts are. For the past 6 months, actually, since I started developing for bots, it's been quite cool for me. Let me know what you think in a comment and description. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for any new videos that might come up so you don't miss it. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll move on to the next section of the tutorial. Thank you. See you later. Bye.